I think we're live now. Okay, great. So, welcome everybody. This is Wild Bitcoin Bill, and today is a day in the red. Everything is going down. Everyone's scared. Look at these prices here. Bitcoin's down around 10,000. We haven't seen these prices in months. Ethereum is back down under 1,000. Ripple is holding around $1.01. Everything is just way, way down, and this can be very, very scary for people who just got into crypto trading and crypto investing, especially if you've been hearing that you're going to make 10, 20, 30 times, 600 times your money, and you just put in money a couple days ago or even a week ago, and now you are sitting at 40, 50% losses sometimes even more, depending on how well balanced or not your portfolio is. But Wild Bill here is here to tell you that do not worry. The market will come back. It will correct. We have seen this before. The only thing that is left to do now is to be patient. And also, if you are liquid in cash, and again, this is not financial advice, but if you can afford to invest your own money and only invest what you can afford to lose reasonably, now is a very good time to buy into some of the major cryptocurrencies. I don't know if we've seen the bottom. I've been hearing a lot about support levels, the next support level being at 8,000. So we might still see Bitcoin drop to 8. But if you bought at 17, like people I know did recently that I talked to and convinced to get into cryptocurrencies, um, you need to be very careful and not sell. Don't sell what's called FUD, the fear of dump. Don't sell your Bitcoin right now, because if you sell, then you'll lose out. You won't have that money. So I mean, make your own decisions. But right now is a very good opportunity to buy. And as the market keeps going down, once we see a bottom, once you feel it's a good entry point, you might do well purchasing right now some of the top cryptocurrencies. I mean, this is still a bull market. It has not turned completely bearish, and this may last a few weeks, a few days, a few months. Nobody really knows. A lot of people are saying that the main cause of this is that in China is the New Year, the Lunar New Year. So that means that a lot of people are traveling. It's a mass migration of people across China. They are going to see their families. They are buying plane tickets. They're buying presents. So it makes sense that they would have cashed out a lot of their investments. And this has happened again and again over the years. So what we have to do is hold steady. And if you're fortunate enough to be liquid right now, to invest in the dips, that's really where you make your money. Also, you have to remember be very cognizant of FOMO, the fear of missing out when something is rallying. I have a lot of friends and people who were very bullish on Tron, and when it had already peaked, let's take a look here real quick at the Tron chart. So you can see here, this is a classic FOMO bump here. So you're right down here, you're going, buy here, it's great. And then you buy here, and then it keeps going up, it keeps going up. And people keep buying, keep buying, keep buying until BAM! Going down, 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 down. And that's happened a lot. So be careful of that, guys. If you see something that's on the rise, look at the trends, look at the charts, uh, look at the history, and be very careful about buying on rumors and speculation of upcoming news, because that's what happened. There was going to be a big announcement, and everybody bought up for the big announcement, expecting this to go even higher, without really taking a look at the total supply, without looking at the fundamentals, and then all of a sudden the price just tumbles. And I've been guilty of this myself. I've learning along with you guys. I've only been trading cryptos since October 2017, but I have decided to spend a considerable amount of time studying, researching, and trying to get to know this market. And nothing really prepares you for a drop like this. So what you need to do is stay calm, stay positive. Don't dump your crypto right now, because if you do, then you'll be at a loss. And look at this, Dash is a steal right now at 684. So also another thing you have to remember, it's very important, guys, is that there are people behind these coins. Bitcoin has many miners and supporters across the globe. People who've invested proof of work mining, which is not easy to set up a mining rig and to process transactions. There's a lot of people that are invested in these coins and have a. I hope I'm streaming. This thing says I'm live, but it looks frozen here on my streaming health thing. So anyway, it says I have two people, so give me some likes if you guys are there, the two people watching. This is my new YouTube channel, but I'm trying to bring as much information as I can, and also bring a sense of calm to the market right now when things are so crazy. Um, I can talk a little bit about some of my favorite picks right now to buy on the dips. Obviously, the fundamental coins. I would definitely pick up Bitcoin. Watch it. It might go down to 8 if it finds a support level at 8, or it might bounce back up from here. That's entirely up to you, your choice. But definitely Ethereum. Ethereum, I don't think is going anywhere, and right now it's at a pretty hefty discount at 30%. Once the market returns to normal conditions, this 30% should be wiped out. Ripple, I would not buy right now, because in my mastermind group, they talked about and they looked at the charts and said that it's a falling knife, and you don't want to catch it on its way down. You want to see where it's going to bounce back up, and then get back in there. But definitely, I would stock up on Cardano. This is at a huge discount. They have a terrific platform, very good technology. Litecoin is a classic. I would pick up some of this. Neo, I absolutely love. It's a Chinese Ethereum. It was probably one of the least hard hit cryptocurrencies recently. NEM, I have a little bit of NEM. I always say invest in the top 10, top 20, and also invest in the people, the team, the technology, not just the hype. You have to ask yourself, what are these guys doing? Who's behind this? Why are they trying to, are they making a good product? That's very important. For example, Populous is invoice factoring service, and it's down 25%. There's definitely a strong business need for this. So Binance Coin is down 1161, down 41%. Guys, this is going to rebound. You need this. You need Binance Coin to reduce your fees on the Binance network. So this is a great buy right now. I'm actually losing money on Binance because I bought it around 20. So the only thing to do now is hold. And if you're coming into this now, or you're just starting to watch cryptocurrencies, the best thing is to just hold steady. Oh wow, look at this. BitConnect is way down. 55%. Yeah, it's just a complete bloodbath here. Or if you're a little bit more optimistic, and I'm a little bit tired of hearing the term bloodbath, because yeah, it's terrible. So what we need is a little bit of motivation. So hold on a second. I'm going to do a quick change here. It is Christmas all over again, guys. Everything's on sale. Going fast. Bitcoin 25% off. Ethereum 30% off. Ripple 43% off, although I think it still might go lower. Bitcoin Cash 33% off. Cardano 36%. Look at this. Almost 40% sale across the board, guys. It's time to go shopping. Ethereum Classic down 39% to $25. And Ethereum Classic has been a favorite of a lot of the charters and people that are predicting the movements. These are, financial planners that are doing a chart analysis, and they're all very happy about Ethereum Classic. So let's take a look at that. So this is a chart that someone did on the Trading View. And also there was a similar chart in my mastermind group. So you can see here that they are predicting this line here. Because it went up and down, and then they formed something called a cup and handle or something, and yeah, and that's supposed to make it go up really high. So if you're looking to buy something on the dips, I would think Ethereum Classic. No, I don't know where the bottom is, and no, this is not financial advice. But if you want to give it a try, go ahead and pick up some Ethereum Classic. If you want to see what exchanges it's on, you can click here and then go to markets, and you can see all the exchanges it's listed on. So we probably haven't seen the bottom yet, guys, but I hope we're getting close. And another thing I wanted to, touch base is on masternodes. Masternodes, if you guys know or not, I can take this off now, get my hat. So masternodes are a way of generating passive income. It's a different form of mining. It's not mining, it's proof of stake, where you're actually holding coins. And if you hold coins, then you'll get paid out more coins in return. Now, the good masternodes are very expensive. Dash masternode was $1 million last time I checked. But now it's down to $710,000. Now, that's still a ton of money for anybody. But still, it's $300,000 off what the masternode price was before. And this is the yearly return on investment. Some of these masternodes. In my classes and my VIP group, later I'm going to do some classes on how to set up your own masternode, what is a masternode, how to mine. But right now in the dips, guys, it's a great, if you've been thinking or you've been on the fence about getting into a masternode, now might be a good time, because you can pick up a lot of these coins at a discount. Look at this one, ALQO. This one is a masternode that's talked about a lot on different YouTube videos. It's a very promising one, and it's down 24% from what the cost was only a few days ago. So this is a great opportunity here. And now I want to talk about another one of my favorite coins to buy on this dip, which is Hush. Hush is a privacy coin, and it's down to $7.38. Which is great. If I lost money. I bought it around 13, and now we're down in this range. But it's been as high as 17, 20, 26 only a few days ago. So this Hush definitely has a great future. It has very good technology. We have zero knowledge core, private messaging, counterparty ports. There's technology for miners, for developers, for investors. And the way to buy Hush is on Cryptopia. So here we go to markets. You can buy it on Cryptopia or Barter Desk. I bought some on Cryptopia. And then you transfer it to your Hush wallet on the web. You would create your web wallet. And it takes you to a cool interface where you put in a secret phrase here. It can be whatever you like, and then you generate the wallet. Now you have to keep that secret phrase and remember it, and then you can access your wallet again. But if you have Hush in your wallet before the February the 1st, you will get airdropped BTCH, which is a Bitcoin for privacy, and privacy coins are going to be very, very big. So guys, instead of lamenting the dips, if you're smart now, you can invest in good coins, good solid coins like Ethereum, Neo, Litecoin, Bitcoin, even Ethereum, Dash. The coins that have real projects, real people behind them. Binance Coin. There's another one that I absolutely love, which I think this one's going to be a stellar performer, is Dragon Chain. And look at that, is at $2.24. I was fortunate enough to buy it when it was around 83 cents here. But now with the retrace going down with the market, this is a great opportunity to buy Dragon Chain. Dragon Chain was actually developed in partnership with Disney. It's not owned by them now, but anything that Disney touches, I think we can all say that it does very well. I mean, Disney doesn't do anything bad. They're a phenomenal company, and they were involved with the development of Dragon Chain. And Dragon Chain is unique. It really is. I encourage you guys to go to the dragonchain.com website, watch the video, learn, use this time instead of watching your portfolio value decline. Instead, use this time to look for the sales and for the really good coins that have potential. The reason this has potential is because of their technology and what they're doing. They're building an incubator for ICOs, and also this little logo here with this lock, this portfolio, and the dragon protecting it. That's intellectual property of any company that wants to um, use their platform for their ICO and for their token. They don't have to reveal certain parts of their private contract, of their code. And that code can be kept secret, whereas the rest of it is public and verifiable. So the benefit of that is that companies don't have to reveal intellectual property secrets like they would, and they're protected. But at the same time, they can have a public blockchain that's tested and that works well. So here, companies can apply for the incubator, and here you have to set up, send your information, and I think we're going to see a lot of really good ICOs coming out of this platform. So right now, it's a great time to pick up some Dragon Chain on the dips. And then my last one I'm going to talk about today is Ethos. Ethos I absolutely love. I've been a big fan of Ethos for a long time, thanks to Supo Man. Give him a shout out on my video. Ethos is going to be a platform that revolutionizes how people put fiat and exchange cryptocurrencies. Right now, if you're deep into cryptos, you know what a pain it is to have multiple wallets, to have multiple keys, to have a Ledger Nano, to have Blockfolio, to have all these different exchanges and places to keep your. It's almost a full-time job to keep track of your digital assets, and you can get hacked, and it's a crazy thing. So what Ethos is doing is they've developed a system that solves all those problems, and they're very well funded. It's a very good team, and there's no doubt that they're going to come out with a fantastic project. And Ethos has been up as high around $10, I believe. Let's look at the historical data. So yeah, 11, 12. So right now it's wow, it's more than 50% off its all-time high. So guys, I would get some Ethos while you can on the dip. This is definitely a good one to stock up on, and and then watch it come back. And if you're not liquid right now, don't worry. Just keep your eye on the market. Relax for a little while. Maybe use this time to spend with friends and family, and take some time off crypto, and then just try to educate yourself and learn as much as you can. Again, this is not financial advice, guys, and I know there's a lot of stress and fear right now in the market, but just want to remind you that this has happened before. People who've been in crypto for a while are not too scared of these markets, because they come back, and when they come back strong. So right now can be a perfect opportunity to make those big gains if you can buy into right now. And if not, if you bought in at the higher peak, you might just have to wait and be patient. Not everything can happen overnight. People aren't becoming millionaires overnight or making tons of money hand over fist overnight, but it certainly is possible, and we have seen it happen before. So just hang tight, and remember, never invest more than you're willing to lose. And yeah, enjoy the ride, guys. And if you have any questions, comments, feel free to write in the comment section. I'm going to be releasing a training website with a very, very comprehensive training going step by step on how to invest in cryptos, how to keep your crypto safe, things to watch out for. There's a lot of scams in the market also. There's a lot of great coins and great companies. But yeah, guys, just enjoy the ride, and thanks for watching. This is Wild Bitcoin Bill. Thank you. Let me see how I stop this thing.